Hi, in this video we will use clone and stamp tool to remove this article from this image, and then we will remove this switchboard. Then we will remove the moles from this model's face, these moles, and then we will remove this wire which disturbs the view of this beautiful moon, all using clone stamp tool. Clone means copying or duplicating, and stamp means impressing. Now let's select this layer which is the copy of this original layer containing an image. Go to the clone stamp tool. This is the clone stamp tool. We can also press S to pick this tool, and then we can vary its size and its hardness. So once we select this clone stamp tool, we will have to use the space bar key to move our image from left to right or up or down. So our clone stamp tool is selected. To increase its size, we can use this slider. To increase or decrease its size, we can use this slider. And to increase or decrease its edge hardness, we can use this slider. So we have to remove this line or leaves from this image. We will have to take a nearby sample. To take a sample, press Alt key and then click. A sample has been taken. We can see it here. So just click to cover this line or leaves. Sample would be taken with reference to the first sample we took. To increase or decrease the size of our stamp, we can use closing bracket to increase its size and opening bracket to decrease its size. And now we have to take another sample. For that we will press Alt key and click. So the sample is taken, and see, the sample we have taken is perfectly matching the space we want to hide. See here. So now we have successfully removed the article and the switchboard from this image. To make it more perfect, we can use the blur tool or some other tools to enhance the overall image. Now let's see this image. Make sure that we have copied the original image. We will take a clone stamp tool and decrease its size by pressing the opening bracket. Make sure the copied layer is selected. Since we just have to hide this mole, we will take a little sample and decrease the size of the stamp. So we will take a sample from the nearby space. To do that, we will press the Alt key and click. The sample is taken, and we will put this sample here. For this, we will take a sample from this space and hide this mole. Again, this is a pimple. Let's take a sample, Alt and click, and this has also been hidden. Now see the difference. We have hidden successfully all the moles from this model's face. Let's come to another image. Again, we have taken a copy of this layer and we have selected this. Our clone stamp tool is already selected. We just need to increase its size so it can hide the wire. We will take a sample from here, click here. We have pressed the shift key and then we again clicked. So the wire is gone. To hide this part of wire, we will take a sample, click here, press shift key. To hide this layer or to make an impression in a straight line, we will press the shift key, then click here. So this wire is also gone. Now we have to do some micro work. Some part of wire is visible here and some part is visible here. We will decrease the size of our stamp and take a sample from here, and then we can hide this. So now we have removed the wire successfully. We have removed the moles from this model's face successfully, and we have removed the article and the switchboard from this image successfully, all using clone stamp tool. So just select the clone stamp tool, take some sample from the nearby space by pressing the Alt key and then clicking. We can change the size and hardness of our stamp by varying these values like we do using a brush. We can change the mode, opacity and flow if we really need to. Otherwise, just selecting the clone stamp tool and varying its size and hardness will work. We have to make sure the caps key is not pressed, otherwise the stamp tool will look like this. But if the caps lock is not on, our stamp would look like this. So that's all for this video. If you think you have gained something valuable through this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.